Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? It's product review time. I'm doing a skincare product review today, okay? So stay tuned and find out which product, which brand I'm reviewing today. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. Oh, yes, I am. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Chika Kelly. Yeah, like I said earlier, this video is about product review. But first of all, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please click that red button there. Yeah, the red button that says subscribe. Click on it and click the notification button as well. And after watching this video, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and help me share it. Share it to your friends, share it to your families, put it on your status, social media status, whatever. But share it. It's not gonna cost you a thing. Just share it, okay? Okay. Okay. I'm reviewing this product, this skincare product called Bio Oil. Bio Oil is very popular. Yeah, it's very popular. It's been known like for centuries, for a long time. So, Bio Oil claims to remove stretch mark, it claims to even out skin tone, it claims to remove any old scars. Now, you know me, my review is always very raw because this is not a sponsored review, by the way. I'm giving you my honest opinion when it comes to this product. Now, look at it very well. Bio Oil. You can get it for about 13 euro. So I don't know other countries there, when you change your currency, I don't want you change it to your currency and your country. I don't know how much it is, but here in Europe it's 13 euro. Okay, now I use this product when I after my second baby, when I had my second baby. I had loads and loads of stretch marks coming out, especially on my thigh area. I did a video about how I remove the toughest stretch mark on my body. So check my channel. The link is up here, so you can go and watch that video. For those of you that have not watched it, but for those of you that have watched it, thank you very much for your support. So on that video, I talked about the fact that I used so many things that didn't work until I made my own DIY. Yeah, it was my own, formulation of different ingredients that worked on my stretch mark. And this product was one of the ones I used then. It was one of the ones I used then. I used this product for about 12 weeks. Yes, on the stretch mark. It didn't work for me. It did nothing on my stretch mark. It didn't change the appearance. It didn't remove it. It was just like that. I used it as well on my face because then my face was a little bit dry because hormonal changes your skin. It can change your skin type and all that. So my face, I was finding then that in as much as I had combination skin before the pregnancy, after delivery my skin was a little bit dry. So I was using it as a night cream as well, mixing a little bit of it on sometimes I use it like that. So sometimes I use it in the morning 2 times a day. It depends on how my skin feels that day when I wake up. It did work on my dry skin then. It helped to moisturize my skin. I felt like my skin felt more hydrated using it on my face. So for people with dry, dehydrated skin, you can use this. It's good. But if you have oily skin, no, don't use it because it may break you out or make the appearance of oil to be more pronounced. But for my stretch mark, it did nothing for me. So that is my honest review. I didn't use it on any scars because I don't have any scars on my face. I'm only giving this review based on stretch mark. But it doesn't mean that it will not work for other people. So if you've used this oil and if it has worked for you for your stretch mark or for your scars or any other reason why you use it, please leave a comment below. I want to know. Honest, I want to know. How did it work for you? How long did you use it for? And do you recommend people to use it? Because for me, when it comes to stretch mark, I won't really recommend it. Okay, go and watch this video up here to see what I use for my stretch mark. Okay, so bio oil for stretch mark, I give it a 0. Bio oil for hydrating dry dehydrated skin, I'll give it a 60 over 100. Yeah, 60 over 100. So let me take it out from the pack and let's put a drop in my hand. Let's put it on my hand, moisturize my hand a little bit. Okay, moisturizing, isn't it? Yeah, and see there, it's very hydrating and it smells gorgeous as well. It smells really good. Smells good. I love the smell. How hydrating my skin makes my skin. I love anything that hydrates my skin. I love anything that hydrates my skin. Look, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Become part of this community. And I upload new videos every week. This channel is about skincare. I do live streaming every Saturday where I teach skincare and I answer any Q&A questions regarding skincare. Okay, now thank you so much, my beautiful people, for watching this video and for your support. Take care of yourself and I hope you're all doing good. I love you so much and I appreciate everything you're doing for this channel to grow. Take care of yourselves. Bye.